All right, welcome everyone. My name is Isaac Matt, and today I'm going to be showing you how to receive both local and international payments using Paystack. Okay, so let's just go to paystack.com. Let me change this to desktop site. So, why do we need Paystack? Okay, Paystack is actually good for payment. It is cheaper, it is secured, okay, and you actually get paid within 24 hours. Okay, so the first step to take is to create a free Paystack account. Okay, it's actually free to use Paystack. So I'll click on create a free account. So we are just going to fill in these details one after the other. Okay, so make sure you have an uppercase and lowercase and special character. Okay, so I'm just going to edit this, the uppercase and a special character, and also a number. So what type of business do you own? Okay, so if you have a registered business with CAC, just click this. You'll be required to upload some documents. But for a starter business, just click here. Are you a developer? No. Tick this and create your account. So Paystack will send you a verification email to your email address. So just check and input it. Okay, you can see. So I'll just go here and verify my email address. You can see my email address has been confirmed. So I'll just log in. So you can see I have logged into my Paystack account. Now we are in test mode. So to eliminate this test mode, you have to fill in this form, your profile, your contacts, ownership, and account. So I'll just go ahead and fill in all these details correctly. Okay, so we have the trading name, description of what you do. You can see staff size, industry, category, business type should be starter business. Okay, so click on next. Now we have the contacts. So if you have another email address you want to use, you can just put it here, but I'm going to use general email. Use this general email. Okay, so you can input your phone number. If you have a website, you can just input it. Your office address, just select your country. So we have filled the contact, so I'll click on next. So now you have to input your name again to verify your identity. I'm a Nigerian, so you may be required to input um, this set of options for your verification. Okay, so it's either you input your BVN, your driver license number, your national identity number, or your voter's card. Okay, but I want to input my national identity number, so I'll just select this, and then you have to upload. Let me input the number first. So you have to upload a proof, a picture of whatever document you pick. So I'm just going to upload it here. So I've uploaded my national identity card. So I'm just going to continue filling this information. So you have your home address. Okay, you can upload your NEPA bill. Okay, So I'm just going to take a picture of my NEPA bill and upload it now. So I just uploaded my NEPA bill. Okay, you can use other documents that has your that have your address. Okay, you can use your bank statement, your DSTV bill, as far as it has your address. Okay, so I'll just go to save. So we are done with owner. I'll go to next and then fill in your account details and make sure it is correct. Okay, so make sure you fill in correct information, please. Okay, so go to save. If you make any mistake, you can just edit it here. So go to activate business. Yes, so you can see we are all done. I'll just go to my dashboard. You can see we have our dashboard. Let me go to the home button. So you can see it's actually reading 00 here because we have not started anything here yet. Okay, so when you go to your dashboard, we have the transactions. You can check up your transactions, your customers. Okay, anything that deals with payment, you can always check them up here. Okay, so we have payment pages, we have products, and this is the part I'm going to be talking about the most. So like I said, Paystack is used to receive both local and international payments. Okay, so for you to receive payments, you need to set up either a payment page or a product. Okay, so if you have maybe a course and you want people to pay for that course, or maybe you have an institution, you want people to pay for a course or a program. Okay, you can just create a payment page here. So just go to new page. If it's a one-time payment, you can just click here, and if it's a continuous payment, you can just click on this button here. So I'm going to choose one-time payment. So I'll fill in the name of the page. You can see this is attractive, just a click away from becoming a designer. So who won't want to become a designer? So if you have an SEO image, this image will appear only on social media. Okay, so you can just upload an image. After this, if you want a fixed amount, which is I will advise you to do that, just click on fixed amount. Okay, and then input the number, let's say 5,000 naira. If you want the form to collect phone numbers, just click here. So let's check the advanced options. Your custom link. Okay, so you can just create your custom link. Let's say so you can actually redirect your clients to another link after payment. Maybe you have a website or you have a WhatsApp class. You can just redirect them to the class. Okay, let me just input something. So success message, just input something. So if you want to get notice of transactions, just input your email address, and I think that's all. So we have a problem with our URL. Let me check. Okay, URL is unavailable. So let me say advanced class 1. Okay, so click on create. So you can see our page has been created. Okay, so I'm just going to, let's visit our page and see how it looks like. Yeah, so I'm sure you have seen something like this. If you are making payments online, I'm sure you have seen something like this. So this is how the payment page looks like. So let's go ahead and create our product page. Okay, So I'll just go back to our dashboard. So what we are going to be creating next is the product. Okay, so if you have, maybe you are selling the product, maybe bags or shoes, so this product will replace the payment page. So just go to new product, give the product a name, and then give it a very good description. Okay, so I have something like this. And then if you have a limited quantity, maybe you are selling a physical product and you have a limited quantity, you can just select it here. Okay, and also if you have more than one colors of your goods, you can use this option here. So I'll go to next. So just add a media. Yes, so this is how my product will look like. And we have order. Okay, we have order. This will show the amount of people that have ordered. We have the inventory. We have the customized product. In case you make any error, you can just edit it. You can decide to edit your link. Okay, and you can copy your link. Let me copy your link. You can copy your link, attach it to a post or a write-up. You can also use this link for your website. Maybe you have a website, you can just add it as a button, buy now. So whenever they click on buy now, it will just direct them to your product. Okay, so we have digital download. In case you have a file you want them to download, you can just add the file. Okay, so we have delivery. This delivery option is for physical delivery. Okay, and we have after purchase. Now this after purchase, if you have a place you want to direct your clients to after payment, you can just use this option. So I'll just edit this. I'll add maybe a Google Drive link and then a success message, and save your product. Okay, so now let's preview how our product looks like. So I'll just go to preview, added another image. You can see the image I added. So this is awesome. I'll just go to buy now. So the person will have to input their name, their details, and they can review and make payments. Okay, so when they click on pay now, they can pay with card, bank transfer, USD, QR code, and so on and so forth. Okay, so paying with Paystack is actually very safe. You can see it is secured by Paystack. Now the next step I'm going to be showing you is how to add your secret and public code to your website. Okay, so if you have a website and you want to integrate Paystack payments, you'll be asked for a public and secret code. So just go to your settings, go to API and hooks, webhooks. So you can see this is your live secret key and this is your public key. So when you copy this, you'll be able to input it to your site. So you can keep track of your customers using this icon. Okay, you can check your payouts and so on and so forth. So you can get started and start using Paystack to receive payment for all your products. Okay, it is more professional when you introduce Paystack to your customers. They will have more trust, more confidence in you. Okay, thank you for watching. If you are watching this video from YouTube, make sure you subscribe and also watch more of these videos.